All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about WEN token. If you do not know what WEN token is, it is a meme coin which is on the Solana blockchain. And of course, it's gaining a lot of traction because it was something that the developer of Jupiter worked on, and they helped launch this meme coin. But as far as WEN token goes, guys, it's up a staggering 26.5%, which is quite substantial. And it's also up 27.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours, with its market cap currently sitting at 52.4 million. This market cap is a little inaccurate. It's even lower than that right now because, of course, the circulation supply on CoinGecko is still not updated because, of course, they had a massive burn. What exactly is next? That is a question that you might have. That's what we're here to discuss. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So, looking at WEN token, so pretty much if you want to see the historic price pattern for this coin, obviously the charts don't speak the 100% numbers, but as you know, if you were seeing the time it was launched, it launched at around a $10 million market cap, and it made its way all the way up to $180 million market cap. The market, as far as the meme coins go, I always share such a personal strategy. What I usually do is, let's say you've done your due diligence and research and you actually like a certain meme coin, always invest half of what you could afford to lose, because if you pick the right meme coin, it could still make you massive amounts of money. Let me give you an example. Let's say you pick this one, right? And towards its all-time high. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.